तो हाँ, तो 2015 में हम लोग इधर आए और कॉलेज।
अरे कॉलेज बना नहीं था।
नहीं, कॉलेज इन द सेंस BVSP में आए, क्योंकि हम लोगों का कोर्स फोटोग्राफी एंड सिनेमाटोग्राफी था। हम लोगों का पहला बैच है ये। तब भी ये इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बना नहीं था, बन रहा था। और लेकिन कभी कभार हम लोगों को कुछ असाइनमेंट्स के लिए हम लोगों को इधर भेजा करते थे।
We actually started from photography college, no?
फोटोग्राफी
We actually
कंप्लीटली
started from
फोटोग्राफी।
photography college. We did light experiment in which my first day और मैंने ली फिल्टर जला दिया था, याद है? HMI के सामने रख के।
वो इधर था कि
But that was not
वो स्टूडियो 1 में था।
That was Studio 1.
वो फराद का था। फराद, if you are watching this,
Farad, this was you, but I'm telling you that was not even my mistake. I was doing it for the first time. No one told me कि HMI के सामने ही नहीं रख सकते। That is how we started जला के, huh? So like, I feel that's a good start. When you break something, it doesn't mean that you have to break. But I feel that becomes a good start when you have certain fear in your life about things, and then you do it nicely. I have two best memories. First is, so I had this senior called Savni. Okay, Savni Chogle. And Savni is very strict. Okay, so we had this workshop. Okay, so we had this workshop and we have to enact certain things in which I was a culprit guy who is looking at a girl and like basically उसको छेड़ रहा है लड़की को। ओके, एंड जस्ट हम लोगों ने रिहर्सल किया कि वो आएगी और फिर मेरे को ऐसा थप्पड़ ऐसा टच करेगी, सिर्फ रिहर्सल्स में भी टच किया। कट टू व्हेन द फाइनल परफॉर्मेंस केम, उसने सबके सामने मेरे को जोर से चाटा मारा। एंड वी स्टिल हैव दैट वीडियो, बाय द वे, वी हैव दैट वीडियो ऑन फेसबुक। उसने जोर से चाटा मारा एंड मैं भूल गया कि मेरे को गिरने गए। मैं खड़े होकर उसको देख रहा हूँ कि इसने जोर से चाटा कैसे मारा। So that was somewhere like, one of the good memories, because at the end, I guess Angad was also there with me. We both assisted Savni, So I somewhere feel that bubble was needed, that things, ice breaking was needed, somewhere. And we have learned many things from our seniors also. So I somewhere feel that was one of my good memory. For me, चल नहीं, मतलब मैं तो बोलूँगा आफ्टर पोस्ट BVSP आई वॉज वेरी श्योर अबाउट थिंग्स, बिकॉज आई गेस इन अ होल बैच आई वॉज द ओनली पर्सन हु डिड डॉक्यूमेंट्री. Okay, and I wanted to do documentary so that I improve my style somewhere, because I somewhere feel cinema is a thing, you can't just learn in a day, you need a lot of practice, you need a lot of space to evolve yourself also. So I somewhere feel after BVSP, the first thing which I did was I got sure about what I have to do. Okay, and after that I started like looking for things in that particular space, and and it's going very good. It's like I'm learning every day. I'm getting new opportunities. I'm going from small to big, big to small.
Correct.
Like for me, all kind of work which is related to cinematography is helping me a lot. Like I'm learning DIT now. I'm learning like how to observe the process of filmmaking also. Like, so I somewhere feel that all small things are needed with your particular craft. So I somewhere feel after post I'm much sorted. I somewhere feel I've evolved, because in BVSP, when I was in BVSP, I somewhere feel we were taught from ground. You understand? So whatever we do in the industry, we know the responsibility of it. To balance your mental stability of your particular craft also. Because it is not ki every day you're not going to get work. But how do you create things for yourself, that also matters. So I somewhere feel post BVSP has taught me this, ki how to manage your things. Especially like I somewhere feel we got this one lecture from Bharat sir about mediocrity. And in that lecture, it was specifically ki like nobody's going to serve you, spoon food you. You have to find your own way, So I somewhere feel that is the biggest learning which I am taking post BVSP.
Research करके आओ. If you really want to understand this particular craft, then and only then. ये क्राफ्ट स्कूल है, ये ऐसा फिल्म स्कूल नहीं है. तो इधर चीज़ें ऐसे एक ही तरीके से हो ही जाती है, क्योंकि उस तरीके से होना चाहिए. तो बी वेरी श्योर कि ये चीज़ रोज़ देखना पड़ेगा. एंड अदर देन दैट यू रियली हैव टू बी ओपन. तो ऐसा क्लोज्ड माइंड सेट रह के ये नहीं चलेगा इधर. You really need to know people. You have to network yourself completely. This is how you will earn your money.
I somewhere feel it has to be more of, if you have clarity about this craft, then only do it. It's not because people are doing it. Okay? If you really want to do this, see, this college has all the equipments. This college has all the equipments and everything. It's up to you how you use it. Nobody is going to come and tell you ki use this. It's you who has to use this. So I somewhere feel if you can take that responsibility, come to this college. If you can't take this responsibility, take time, understand the whole procedure, and then apply for this particular craft.
हाँ, and it's fun and games. अगर तुम लोग डिसिप्लिन में
बहुत मजा आता है.
बहुत मजा आता है.
बहुत मजा आता
और
है.
यही है
The best thing is lights नहीं उठाना.
सैंडबैग बनने का. सैंडबैग नहीं है तो
Bro, sandbag is something else. Sandbag is like muscle pulling, I guess. No, but there would be
BVSP,
something.
like
no.
BVSP से
Man,
है.
come on, BVSP taught you many things.
नहीं नहीं मैं बराबर है ऐसा नहीं
If
कि
you
नहीं
remember your
था.
first day,
बट अगर मैं बाहर हूँ एंड इफ आई से कि ओ मैं BVSP से है, द फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन गोज कि ओ ही नोज और शी नोज मोर अबाउट द एंटायर.
for me, I am BVSP is very simple. It's only and only Bharat Birangi. It's all because of him today whatever we are doing. अगर हम लोग को छूट देते थे, we would have not done anything. He was strict to us. That's the only reason because of which whatever we are doing right now in disciplinary manner. So I feel it's Bharat Birangi.
नहीं मेरे लिए आई एम BVSP मतलब फ्रीडम है क्योंकि हम लोगों को उतना टाइम दिया था और हम लोगों ने वो टाइम का यूटिलाइज़ किया. कुछ वक्त नहीं भी किया. बट हाँ मतलब अगर मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि मैं BVSP से हूँ, आई मीन कि हाँ इफ आई गो देयर आई हैव एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम टू डू वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट और लर्न वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट.